Being safe is very important to us. So when we were looking for a home security system, we were looking for one that had high definition cameras.
Something that didn't have a lot of wires.
And cameras that we could put up discreetly throughout the house. And when we found Arlo, the choice was a no-brainer. Installation was very simple.
Because it doesn't require any cords, we can get creative about where we put it. We can just move them to keep an eye on our baby.
You have the batteries that are long-lasting, so I can have it installed outside. You get email alerts, and it works with motion sensors. When we go on vacation, we always know that we can stay connected and know what's going on with the house. So Arlo gives us peace of mind at work and at night. Arlo has definitely made an impact in our lives.
It's really made being safe simple.